This is the future. Today, in another tutorial period of Samsung, we will use Galaxy. As for us, we're going to use a non-AI feature, but it's an intelligent feature that allows us to schedule the message that we want to send. For example, if we want to send a message to someone because we don't want to send it at the same time now, but in 5 hours, I can schedule it that way. So, for example, my sister lives in the Dominican Republic. If I want to send you a text message, it only applies to text messages for the time being. I want to text you, but I hope this message will not arrive now, but in 6 hours, this is the time. Unlike the time between the Dominican Republic and France, I can use the following steps. Let's record the screen first and let it be recorded. What do we want to do by recording? 321. So, as I said, this only applies to SMSY. I'll show you how to start by setting this option or this feature here. We're going to go to the menu. First thing in the message we're going to choose. In the message, for example, we're going to choose my wife. Okay, we're going to choose my wife. You've seen me in her message what we're going to do. It is given on the plus sign and we have a few things. I don't know if you knew a long time ago that Samsung has all these options, including voice, location, theme, audio, and so on. We can even send calendar tasks, items on the agenda, and so on. Here, we will provide you with a location for message programming. We will schedule the message. We must choose to send the message within the specified 1 hour, but only 6 minutes after the current time, not before. I will define the schedule later. How do I send it now? And the message should be clocked until it's time to send itself. So I want to send the message. It's 5:35H now. It's about 5:41H in 6 minutes. But what I want to do is I'll send it at 18:00. What is 6 in the morning? And then what? He is not at home now, but she will receive him at 6 o'clock. I think he will come here at that time. 6 o'clock, I arranged the message in 35 minutes. Wednesday from 21 to 6 hours. And then what will happen? I can give you a performance. I wrote the message I'm going to send. You see, it says the message I'm writing now will be sent at 6 p.m. on Wednesday, February 24, 2024. And I can say hello to you, my love. For example, I'm already at home. Thank you for your delicious dinner. I can add something to you here. I can add something to you. A little face and I can. He told me that other than that, I could send it there. Do you want to use emojis and special characters to send messages? Emojis and special characters may not display correctly when this message is received, because in SMS, I can obviously send it anyway or change the input mode to automatic mode in settings. I will send it here, which is of interest to me, and then send the message. But if you see the time, it will say at 6 o'clock, because it will send at 6 o'clock. It will put the clock where it automatically indicates them. What message did I decide to send with emojis? As it turns out, there is another way we can send it. Is this writing? Hello, how are you? When the send button is pressed, if we define a time later and do this, a screen that defines the message to be sent at the required time is automatically displayed. I can tell him how you are. How are you? You love me. I can't think of anything else. I sent him, and when I sent him, my watch came out. As it turns out, because the clock is on me, I don't define when I want to send a message. All I can do to him is give the watch to the place where he claims to send it now, or give it to him. And choose. For example, who I want it to be sent to. I want delivery at 8. And I have finished. I sent it to you and I can send it at 18:01. H, so this is one of the things we can do with Samsung message programming. Is it applicable to many devices? I tried it in the 9th century and I haven't been to it since then. I didn't make this video, but well, the idea is to let you learn it. If you like the video, please share the ideal situation and subscribe to us for more tips. It has something to do with Samsung until the next one.